Body initially at rest, sliding along a frictionless track from height h, just completes vertical circle of diameter AB equals D. The height h is equal to. So it just completes a vertical circle. So now in circular motion we will learn that here at the lowest point the velocity required to just complete circular the circle vertical circle is root over 5g into r, okay, where r is the radius here. So therefore m into g h should be equal to half into m into v square, which is equal to half into m into v square is 5g r. So mgh should be equal to half into m into 5g, and of course r is not mentioned, d is there, so therefore d by 2. mg is gone, so therefore h should be equal to 5 by 4 into d. So therefore d is going to be the answer.